How we doing, people? Hope everybody is keeping well. I am jam.thebam. I am fine, by the way. Car accident yesterday. I see. Car accident yesterday. I'm a little bit bruised, a little bit shaken up by it yesterday, but I'm absolutely fine today. And we're parking because we're going away off to Sigel today, so we're going there for 4 days. We're going to look at a bit of land when we're out there. See what like. I mean, everybody says I'm being stupid, but well, jam a bam, you know what I mean? That is pitch. Oh no, don't tell me to stop. That's alright, I thought it started raining. Do not want to be driving the bike in the dark, but it's cooler right now, so we're going to make a wee bit of a shoot off soon. The plans are, well, we're in Sigel. Well, we're just going to go with the flow, folks. And I said I was going to do daily vlogs, but I think it's always a bit hard to do because you're always like to jump about and see what's happening. Is that rain? No, it's not rain. Right, a quick smoke. We've had a coffee. We're all good to go. Just play that again. What do you say?
I don't know.
I will take you through the hardships of rural life.
Oh, it sounds great fun, I've let myself in for here, right? Now, this is part of the vlog, is it? You know what I mean? So we're going to have to just see what's going on. Like, we've got to do it. You know what I mean? We're going to get pissed up with Uncle Lou. You take that Samsung with us? Well, we just buy when we're there, Well, we're about an hour and a half into our journey. A little bit to go. We just stopped off in this little town. Not sure what it's called. We just stopped at a market, got some coffee. The windows will let me smoking next door. But that's a nice wee place. It's cool as well, like, which is always good. You know. Playing on our phone. But we've got an hour and a half to go. I think we'll probably make one more stop somewhere. Kind of hoping. I think it might actually rain. There's a lot of fog and overcast as well at the moment, so it's kind of. The roads were pretty sketchy, to be fair. Just a couple of times where I just almost had a massive pothole. So we're just taking it easy now, taking it slow. Better to be safe, you know, after yesterday's crash and that. So I'm starting to be a bit more wary about it all. Like, but it's a really cool place. This, like, there's a lot, and because there's a lot of fog and that, it's making it cooler. Like, so. I'm actually quite happy about that, like, to be fair, because it's actually nothing worse when you've got all your bike gear on and you're sweating buckets. But you need to wear the gear. Like, see, a lot of people just riding around shorts and t-shirt and no helmet and that. These people are no brains. You know, or if they do crash, they won't have any brains, put it like that. Anyway, folks, we're going to get back on the bike and get on with the journey, I never recorded any of it because I couldn't fit my selfie sticker back onto the bike that I took off yesterday. Should have left it on there. So I'll figure out a mount sort of situation, get some recording done on the way, and a bit closer, I reckon. I just showed the highways and that's not exactly great, is it? You know what I mean? Anyway, peace out for now. Same. She keeps trying to direct me on which way I'm going and that, but I've got the same Google Maps as her. It's the same. We just stopped in the middle of the highway here. I've missed out quite a lot of the road, to be fair, or lack of roads, I should say. I'll go get Mimi just to record things as we're driving, so I can let you see what the crack is and that. I've seen a sign back there for elephants, so might see one. Huh? Might see elephant, you think? No? No, no. But it is really quiet here, so this is it. Empty roads, just how I like it. Right. That's the beast there, like. This is doing me proud so far. I'm happy we're about to set off again, people. And I got my mic on, so I'll probably just play some music over this bit. Okay.
Let's go. Okay.
Another one you want?
Okay. Yes. Stop. Ah, no, no. Oh, ตูดจำได้ stop นะบี stop อันนี้โอเค นี่ไงตูดสิเกนไอ้สิเกนอะไรเนี่ยโอเคเนี่ยเดี๋ยวดมอยากรู้อะไรเนี่ย
Finished there. He doesn't like me, huh?
no same
Great welcome, Athlete.
hello
How you doing? There's a little bit of a problem. Tire's completely flat.
ต้องเดี๋ยวปล่อยไว้เป็นน้ำได้แล้วมันจะ
Right, we're going to take it to the shop because it'll be completely flat by morning time. Well, the bike's going to take about an hour to fix, so we're just going to have a couple of Leos with Uncle Louis. So I'll go check out that house tomorrow. See what like. He's moving his car about, I don't know what he's doing. I didn't understand what any of them were saying. I don't know how I managed to get it flat in the wheel, but it looks like I've done some damage to it, so we're getting it repaired. We'll see how much that costs, like, so, you know. Anyway,